In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the count, countif, and CountA function in Excel. And I'm also going to show you how you can use logical functions such as if to make some logical comparisons in Excel. So let's get started. Count function will count the number of cells that contains numbers. CountA counts the number of cells that are not empty, while CountIf will count the number of cells within a range that meets a specific criteria. So let's see how to use them in this table like this. Okay. Now if I want to count the number of cells with numbers, okay, in this formula I can key in equals count open bracket. I select the range. In this case is from B6 to G33, and close bracket, enter, and there you are. We have 66 cells with numbers. Okay, now if I want to count the cells that are not empty, okay, I use the CountA function equals CountA open bracket. I'll select the same range again, close bracket, enter. I have 124 cells that are not empty. How about if I want to find out the number of cells with a value of 1? Okay, I will use CountIf function equals to CountIf open bracket. The range will be the same range, and after the range we need to set the criterion. In this case the criterion will be the number 1. Okay, we want to see the number of cells with the value 1, so I open bracket 1 close bracket. This will make sure that even if the 1 is a text or a number, it will be calculated in the number of cells. So close bracket, enter. I have 22. Okay, and number of cells with the value 8, using the same method. I can do a copy and paste with the number 8, and there you are. We have 6 cells with the value 8. How about if I want to count the number of cells with value more than 6? Okay, in this case I would equals count if the same range, comma, the criterion in this case will be 6. Enter. We have 18 cells that are more than 6, more than the value 6. Okay. Number of cells with X, let's put it in, equals count if range with open inverted commas X. There you are. You have 5 cells with the value X in it. Next, I want to use the if function to do some logical comparison and to give us a certain results. Now, if I have a gender here, if F here, I want to display female here, or else I will display male, right? So let's see how to go about doing it. In the formula, we type equals if open bracket. Logical expression will be if C6, which is this cell, equals to F, comma, I will display female, else I will display male. Enter, and you can see that female is displayed because it's F, right? I can copy this formula and paste it here. It's a male. But if I do the same thing for this, you recognize that it doesn't recognize this as X as any gender, but rather it will, because it's not belonging to F, not a female, so you put it as a male, right? So in this task 2, we'll put in a formula to display teenager or adult. If it's older than 21 years old, then it's an adult, else display teenager. So I will have this formula equals if C15 is more than or equals to 21, then I will display adult, else I will display teenager. Close bracket, enter. So 19 is a teenager. We will copy, paste. 20 is a teenager. 21 is an adult. 22 is an adult. Okay. In this case, task 3, we use a formula to display a first letter of the car plate. Okay. So first letter, I can use the left function which I've learned of before. Left. And this C25, how many characters do I want? I just need 1 character. Enter. I get an S, which is the first letter of the car plate. I will do a copy, paste. In this case, it's M and J. Okay. And I want to display whether it's a Singapore car or non-Singapore car, because the Singapore car starts with the letter S. So I can use the if function equals if this is equals to S, then display Singapore car, comma, else I'll display non-Singapore car. Enter. So you find that the first one is Singapore car because it starts with S, and the second is not. The third is also not. That's all we have for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you another time.